Your name is Rosie.
Yes, since I was born.
Hello, my name is Rosie López.
My name is Carlos Caridad, and we are going to do an event, very special event together, a healing event together. What are we going to do?
It's gonna be Reiki at the beach.
Where is going to be?
Redondo Beach?
Redondo Beach. And what we are going to do is a group healing session. You come lay down on the sand, and we both together are going to perform a group healing session. Now, tell me your experience on the group healing session that you participate.
I feel all the energy. It was the same as you were doing the session just for me. It was the same feeling, the same thing. It was no difference.
Exactly. There is no difference if we do a distance healing session to a person or to a group, because we learn how to do that.
Yes.
And you are very good. I enjoy her individual and group healing sessions very much.
So how this works?
The way it works is very simple. We healers have the capacity to connect with a source of energy. We call it Reiki, and what I define is a healing energy that comes straight from God.
Mm-hmm.
When we connect with that energy, we ask the people who participate to make an intention to connect with both of us, because we both are going to facilitate the session, the healing session for the group. The moment that you make the intention, you connect with us. And I'm going to make an analogy. We as a healers connect to the source of energy like this. And we have a power strip where all of you can connect to as many people are participating. It doesn't matter if it's 1, 2, 20 or 100. Everyone will receive the same amount of healing because they are not connecting with our personal energy. Mm-hmm. They are connecting through us, through our intention, to this healing energy that is a manifestation from God. Now, not all the healers do the same thing, because as far as I know, every one of my students does the healing session in a different way. In my case, either I sit to meditate or I do a hands-on healing while the rest of the people are laying on the floor, as I will show you in a video. And now I want you to explain to me the way that you do the group healing sessions.
I kind of do it like I'm meditating, but my hands just go like this, and then it's like I have a person in this hand, another person in this hand, and they move to go to every different person.
However, everyone in the group feels the energy all the time.
Yes.
Because the day that you were doing it to the special group of your family, mm-hmm. I sneak in without telling you. And I felt the energy during the half an hour that was left on the session. Now, what happened when you were doing the session?
It was 13 people that day.
But you were seeing in your mind's eyes 13 people, right?
Yes, and then the 13th person was right here, and then my hands were like this, like someone start a session.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
I came like 10-15 minutes later.
Yeah, that happened.
And you felt that someone else came to the session.
Mhm.
Did you know who was it?
No.
No, okay. But it was me.
Yeah, it was him.
And the beauty of that is that I felt the energy very strong the moment I lay down on bed and I made the intention. I am receiving an energy healing session from Rosie. And so everyone participating in this Reiki on the beach will feel the energy. And everyone will feel the healing. Now, what people has to bring?
I recommend to bring
It's
yoga
called-
mat
Yes, yoga mat.
and then a
Beach towel.
beach towel. Just a pillow, maybe. I will do it.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
If you want anything that you would like to do, if you were participating in there.
Yes, for me it was a pillow, a yoga mat, or a towel beach. I don't know what else.
That's all.
That's all we need.
Yeah, because the only thing that you have to do is to lay down
Mhm.
on the beach, on the sun, on your yoga mat or your beach towel, just to be relaxed. If you want a pillow for your head, it's fine.
Mhm.
Or if you want something to cover you, just
Oh,
in
yeah.
case there is some wind or the sun or whatever, you can do it too.
Mhm. Yeah.
All right, we invite everyone to come. The date and the time and the place will be sent when you register. Anything else?
I think that's it. Just let's have fun.
We'll see you there. We'll see you at the
Bye.
beach.